Hi everyone, we will see the most horrible and weirdest website over there on the internet ever existed pretty much, and you're gonna have like a perspective from a web developer and a web designer, just like having a reaction to this website, just giving you a look what they made wrong, if the UI matches or whatever. But overall they are a pretty weird website. So yeah, we're just gonna have like this list of pretty weirdest website overall on the internet, and just gonna have like my reaction to this website. So the first website in here, we got the Yale Art of School. So from its name you see like it is a school of art, so it's like you learn their art from art perspective. And from the weirdest design of the website, you pretty much see like it has like, I don't know, a creative kind of art on that school. So from this website it shows you that if you just go to the school, you're gonna have like, you need to be creative, and you will pretty much learn to be creative and learn creativity and overall. So yeah, this is all actually happening in the behind the scenes in here from the overall design. But the first thing you pretty much notice once you get into this web page is actually the ongoing video, like kind of animation or video thingy happening in the background there of a guy who just like drawing Black Lives Matter. So yeah, it's pretty well made actually for just like, you know, fighting racism. Yeah, well done in here for the Black Lives Matter. And the weirdest part about here is actually, I don't know, getting this black kind of background, kind of dev that sits on the center, almost like just like a little bit to the left, but still it has like all of that. And once you scroll, you see like that dev scrolls all the way down with you, and you can see all the contents, and you actually see I don't know, labs and facilities on this school or on this university, and you see like fall 2020 at the School of Art if you want to just like register for the school stuff. Yeah, a couple of things in the news and who made that, and this pretty well made up footer from, if you just like, I don't know, hover over it, you're gonna get this background color. So I probably did this the first time I tried to learn HTML and CSS. So yeah, there you go, you got the point of what is happening behind the scene here. And if you go to another web page, you're gonna just like see a completely different background changing from one time to another. Like, what is that? Okay, Shan the sheep, or I don't know. This is actually yeah, a kind of pretty tragic, but there you go, you got the points of what is happening. If you want to apply to the school, like, you get this really sick video playing in the background. I've come to warn you. I think I can read it from here. I don't know, I can't even actually. There you go, I've come to warn you. It's just like right in the middle. So yeah, it's pretty sick, to be honest. And if you take a look for the actual yeah, I don't know, for responsiveness, you take a look on the responsiveness right here. Yeah, absolutely, you got it right. No responsiveness whatsoever. So yes, it is looking I don't know, horrible at some points, but I wouldn't expect any responsiveness from that particular website in general. So yeah, there you go. We also got another website which is actually kind of spelled Argrin or Argrin.net. I don't exactly get that right, to be honest. But the website is actually like an Amazon clone, but it's much weirder than Amazon. Of course, you can pretty much see all the products, all the listings, just goes right into the homepage. Like every single product being sold in that website is actually on the webpage, and the layout is pretty terrific, as you're seeing here. Yeah, it has no layout system, no grid, no flexbox, nothing at all. Even it doesn't respect any kind of like widths and heights of a product or something, or even just like a way to display the title. Even the titles, you can find them sometimes in the top, sometimes at the bottom, which is, yeah, I don't know, pretty horrible. And it displays the prices, clearly seen here, and you can pretty much find all the stuff. And beside all of that, you can find also the categories, which is either you can find them in different colors, like, I don't know, blue, magenta, green, dark yellow. Yeah, it happens, I know. But who made that pretty much this website is pretty sick. Actually, they are mentally sick. And the most lovely part of this website is actually the footer. It's still in Christmas. It's always in Christmas, by the way. It has these trees and Santa Claus just waving with his hands, and yeah, it's quite ridiculous. This car animation, I don't see why it happens. But if you just like, of course, with every great website you find on the internet, specifically with that layout and that design in particular, you're gonna see a horizontal scroll bar. Obviously, this is actually one of the main features you pretty much need for this kind of website. So you have to do, or you have to include a horizontal website. Make sure to include it pretty much on your next website or your next projects. Yeah, you will probably be fired. But anyway, so this is actually the scroll bar, and yeah, it's terrific. And still, you're gonna find more products once you scroll horizontally, which is as expected as it can be. And I don't know, you can find pretty much whatever. I don't know why this scroll bar right here does exist whatsoever. So if I just like zoom in, let's clearly see. Okay, it has a code inside of it. Okay, pretty weird. But anyway, I don't expect less weirdness from this kind of website, to be honest. But still, you can of course click on the products, like click on this link, and it can take you to Mercedes. You can take you to see more images and more information. Pretty much, you can even find contacts information if you want to just like buy this AMG Mercedes, the kind of thing. I don't know who pretty much would go inside of this website to buy something, unless they are pretty much completely mad. Well, this one is quite interesting because it sells like sonars, or sells X-ray kind of devices that allows you to do X-ray things, which you most likely gonna find in hospitals and I don't know, specific you know, for X-rays and just having your X-rays exposed over all the places. But yeah, this website happens to pretty much sell these ones, or sell these devices, and you can get in there and you can pretty much buy all of these without any issues. But the most interesting part is actually the design. Look at this. I love the actual background. I don't know, we have like an image, but if you take a look on the specs and elements, and I don't know, if you take a look, where's the actual, there you go. So you got the background image in here as a body, and it has URL kind of image. It has only 100 pixels by 400 pixels height, width to height, but it still keeps repeating, so it just like creates this awful pattern that I don't see why it does exist anyway. But still, this is actually the background. It's pretty awful. It has like a text which is kind of like magenta. It shouldn't be there. It should be like, I don't know, white or something. But overall, compared to the last website we've seen, it's much better compared to that, since the layout in here is pretty respected, and we see kind of like an animated logo. And you can pretty much, you can go ahead and like do supplies. You can like printed CD media and packaging. You can go in and buy like custom printed CD media. I don't know who still uses CDs or DVDs by the way. But yeah, you can pretty much print your name on the CDs and sell them. Anyhow, so thank you guys for watching. I just like want to show you all of that, and yeah, have just a funny video reacting to other websites and most terrific and horrible websites over the internet. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I said before, hope you guys have enjoyed. If you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe and like that video if you just really loved it and want more reaction videos about this. But anyhow guys, see you guys in the next one.